Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun.
I arrive early at the big, busy airport. I pull my suitcase through the main door. I look around for the check-in counter. I see my airline sign above the desks. I join a short line with friendly people. The worker smiles and checks my travel documents. I place my suitcase carefully on the scale. She prints my boarding pass for the flight. I thank her and follow the direction signs. I walk towards security with my small backpack. The guard asks me to remove my jacket. I put everything gently into the plastic tray. I walk slowly through the metal detector area. The guard nods and tells me everything is fine. I collect my things and close my bag. I look for gate 20 on a large screen. The screen shows my flight is on time. I turn left and follow the bright arrows. I see shops selling snacks and travel items. I buy water and a small chocolate bar. I continue walking until I reach my gate. Many passengers are waiting in quiet rows. I sit down and check my phone battery. My battery's low, so I find charging. I plug my phone into a free outlet. I watch people walking to other gates. A child laughs loudly with her tired mother. I hear an announcement calling another nearby flight. My stomach feels nervous, but also very excited. I drink water and breathe slowly to relax. I check the time and read my boarding pass. The gate agent stands ready beside the microphone. She smiles and greets everyone with a warm voice. She announces boarding for families with young children. People stand up and move toward the gate. I wait calmly until my group is called.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
The agent finally calls group number 3 happily. I hold my pass and join the line. The agent scans my pass with a beep. I thank her and walk down the jetway. The hallway feels long with bright white lights. I step inside the airplane and smile politely. A flight attendant greets me with friendly energy. She helps me find seat 14 by window. I place my backpack under the front seat. I buckle my seatbelt tightly across my waist. The airplane fills with quiet talking and movement. The attendant gives safety instructions to everyone. She shows how to use the oxygen mask. She explains the exits on both airplane sides. The engine starts making a loud, steady sound. I look outside and see workers waving. The airplane moves slowly toward the long runway. I hold my seat gently during the takeoff. The airplane lifts smoothly into the bright sky. I watch clouds forming shapes outside my window. A flight attendant offers drinks and small snacks. I choose water and a light, salty cracker. I thank her and relax in my comfortable seat. I read a simple book about travel stories. Time passes quickly during the quiet, calm flight. The pilot announces we will land soon. I close my book and buckle again carefully. I feel the airplane slowly going down gently. The city appears below with tiny, colorful buildings. The airplane touches the runway with soft bumps. Everyone claps lightly after the safe landing. We stop fully and wait for the signal. The seatbelt sign turns off above our heads. I stand up and take my backpack. I walk slowly toward the airplane exit door. The attendant smiles and wishes everyone good day. I thank him and step into the jetway. I follow signs toward baggage claim downstairs. I find Carousel 3 with many spinning suitcases. I wait patiently for my big blue suitcase. I see it coming and pull it carefully. I leave the hall through the large exit doors.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.